Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing the bike and loosening components that hold grips in place, so they come off cleanly. Use the right tools, flathead or 4/6 hex, then remove bar and weights or mirrors. Once done, cut a few millimeters into the old rubber if it's glued, or spray isopropyl under the edge to break the bond. Compressed air under the grip will also pop them free. Make sure to protect painted surfaces, and keep small bolts in a container for reassembly. You now remove the grips and prep the bars for installation, because a clean surface ensures adhesion and safe throttle action. Twist and pull old grips off. Apply compressed air or a cutting slit if needed, then thoroughly clean with isopropyl and a rag to remove oils and glue. Once clean, test fit each new grip. Align throttle side so the sleeve clears the tube and throttle mechanism, and mark orientation. Make sure the grip length and any locking clamp holes line up. You install the new grips with confidence. Apply a thin layer of grip glue or hairspray inside each grip and a matching light coating on the bar, because this wets both surfaces and bonds quickly. Slide the grip on with a twisting push, align it straight, and hold until tacky. Refit bar ends and mirrors, then test throttle, ensure it snaps closed and has correct free play. If the grip shifts later, stop using the bike, remove the grip, re-clean. Use proper adhesive or a clamp, and recheck throttle operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.